द फैमिली मैन 3 का ट्रेलर रिलीज हो गया है। ऐसे में ट्रेलर के लॉन्च के मौके पर वहां पर पहुंचे फैमिली मैन यानी कि मनोज वाजपेयी, साथ ही नजर आई उनकी वाइफ भी। इसी के साथ कई और कलाकार भी पहुंचे जो इस सीरीज में नजर आएंगे।
तड़पाने में जितना मजा आता है ना,
क्या बात है, क्या बात
ना?
है। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
जब आपको पता है कि आग दोनों तरफ लगी हुई है तो थोड़ा तड़पा तड़पा करके पानी देने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। लेकिन जब हम आए हैं तो आशा करते हैं कि आपको पूरा मटके का पानी इस बार पिलाएंगे।
क्या
ताकि
बात है।
I personally love playing this character. Also because it has everything about a human being. All the faults, all the advantages and disadvantages of every human being. I think और इसीलिए लोग ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं कि ये श्रीकांत तिवारी हर किसी के पिता के जैसा भी लगता है, हर किसी के पति के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी के दोस्त के जैसा भी लगता है, और हर किसी का कंपेनियन, हर किसी का कुलीग भी लगता है। सो आई थिंक श्रीकांत तिवारी इज ऑल्सो any guy who is traveling in the metro here, or any guy who is going in the car, in the traffic. I think that's the biggest strength of the character. So that, I mean, as an actor, I would say that this time all those advantages that one had, you know, as an actor, when I was playing Shrikant Tiwari, who was always on top of things, here, you know, keeping the Shrikant Tiwari alive in me, but at the same time, who is somebody who is really not on top of the game.
Oh my God, yes.
He's losing all the time. And the opponent are far many and far more stronger. दोस्त बना लेता।
देख लिया हमने।
You're forgetting that I'm also a Bihari. we use brain most of the time, more than the broad.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
बहुत सारी बातों के साथ एक जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ ये थी कि रुकमा इज अ डिटैच्ड गाय। ही कैन नॉट, यू नो, इमोशनली अटैच नहीं हो सकता किसी भी चीज़ से। और होता ये है कि वो एक्चुअली हो जाता है किसी चीज़ से, अपनी फैमिली से, या जो भी उसकी लाइफ में हो रहा है। एंड somehow he's attached to Shrikant also now.
Correct.
अब उसका कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता, बट वो स्टार्ट जो है वो इस तरह का इंसान है who doesn't care for anything.
Wow.
Anything in the world.
Shrikant is getting too tough to handle. So we had Musa in the first, Musa, Sajid. It was all a nexus, and then we had Raji and the whole the group. This time we really had to crack our brains to come up with this antagonist. We didn't realize that we were creating big antagonists each time. I didn't realize we were doing Dhoom each time.
Sure.
But then we realized that we better have something that's very formidable for Shrikant and the team. And we thought of Beauty and the Brains, or like Beauty and Brawn. Or like Brains and Brawn, I got it right. Brains and Brawn. So I thought that was a good split between them in terms of how somebody can trap an intelligence unit, an intelligence agent. So yeah, that was the thought.
You know, there's nothing more fun than playing evil. And you don't get to go to jail for it. That's the best part. You know, you can do what you want. And in their universe, you know, you can really do what you want and get away with murder, plotting, and have a great wardrobe while you do it.
Wow.
And do it in high heels with flamboyance and sex appeal. And Meera is all about that. So I find her to be like, you know, evil, but in couture.
Oh, love it.
It's a girl's dream. It's been a dream to work.
I mean, as you can see, everybody gets older.
Yes.
right? I mean,
Yes.
somehow Manoj manages to stay the same age
Yes.
from season 1, but everybody else gets older. The kids are getting older, everybody's getting older. So we had to adapt to that as well. And see, from a story perspective, we already knew we had at least we were relying on Manoj to have a completely different way of playing it by making him the target instead of the one that is going after somebody.
Sure.
So that automatically, changed a lot for him. Having said that, the kids have grown up. So we thought it is time for Atharv now to know the secret.
Whoa.
That's what the trailer starts with.
True.
And so, yeah, I mean, we in reality, we had to adapt with, that we are in a season 3. We need to bring new, more mature angles to the same characters, but at the core of it, they're still the same characters, but we still need to explore a new dimension. And to do that, you put them in a new situation that they've never been in. Be it the family also. We put them literally in danger in the season. So, and without anybody else to protect them. So they have to explore new parts of their personality that they never knew existed.
So true.
So I guess that's one way of kind of taking the character forward.
I think they're the best ones to answer
Answer
that.
that.
I've been telling them right from the start कि मुझे भी action दो, because
ना?
I have dabbled in a bit of action before. I have been telling them, please give me some action.
Correct.
But yeah, you can see very little
Okay.
of it.
Okay.
See, I think the pressure is more as a writer. You conveniently did not talk about writing at all. That's okay. But the pressure is more because I'm already losing my mind over how we're going to skin season 4. But the point is, the pressure as a writer was immense. And because I've been in the best film school from season 1 to Farzi, I have learned a lot from them. I've seen them from the best seat in the room to know how they take shots, how they don't compromise, how they don't settle for, the average. They're always looking to punch way up. And also, by the time I came around for season 3, I had already directed a film in Tamil. So, and but it is difficult. Direction is not easy. Tushar has been, in the direction department for ages. So for him, it is a natural progression. But for someone like me who's just done one film, there was a lot of pressure, especially when you have you said Rajan DK love me. You have to see me and DK. I'm just saying, okay, because it's uncompromising. The schedules are tight. You know the deal. So the pressure to make sure that we are at least 90% there.
There, of course.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah. Thank you so much.
But I would like
yeah.
to say that writing is still the biggest pressure, and you will have to agree, Rajan DK.
There is no secret to that. I think it all started with, I remember in a cafe, me and Raj and DK met. I think it was 2017 or 18 when the show was being developed. And I think they told me this log line, or not even a log line, this line that I think if I'm not wrong, it was, he's a world-class spy and a middle-class guy. And that identification with the character, I think is supreme for a writer. Like, how do you identify within yourself who's the protagonist? And that middle-class guy who happens to be, or who's now is a world-class spy, that really nailed it for me. And I think the first sequence that we did, where he's going through this first day of his life, and he talks to his kids, and he's dropping them to the school. And they are like, कि तुम बड़े एहसान फरामोश हो कि तुम मेरे को बोल रहे हो कि गाड़ी कैसी है एंड दैट लाइन आई थिंक वो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऐसा हुआ था कि वो जो एक लाइन बोलता है वो आई थिंक हर किसी ने सुनी होगी वो लाइन कि जहाँ पर वो बोलते हैं कि ही सेज कि तुमको कदर नहीं है कि जब मैं स्कूल जाता था तो मैं साइकिल पे जाता था और मेरे दादाजी नदी एंड दे कंप्लीट द लाइन और दादाजी नदी पार करके so I think that line has been told to every kid in this country. So that identification helped me. And then when he finally gets done with the whole dropping, he's so tired that he just utters those lines which has become iconic now कि आ रहा हूँ dash dash dash. So because it's the common man's frustration, and once you identify with that, everything becomes it just naturally flows because you are now feeling the character. And the second thing, which people say that gali, like for me, it is not that it is, I think, गाली एक अलंकार है भाषा का.
क्या
तो दो चीज़ें हैं.
हाँ जी.
सबसे पहले तो मैं एक डायलॉग याद रखता हूँ तो मैं उस कैरेक्टर में आ जाता हूँ
क्या बात है?
कि भाई हम लोग गरीब आदमी हैं, तुम्हारे ब्रंच में हमारे महीने भर का लंच आ जाएगा.
क्या बात है, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
और दूसरी चीज़, सुमन, सुमित, इन लोगों ने मिलके इतना बढ़िया किरदार लिखा है राज एंड डीके. और मतलब आई हैव ऑलवेज टोल्ड दिस, बट I can't really thank them enough for giving me JK, because JK changed my life. And जो किरदार आपकी ज़िंदगी बदल सकता है, बदल देता है, उसको आप भूल नहीं सकते, फिर वो आपके अंदर रच बस जाता है. तो मेरे लिए डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होता है JK के किरदार में आना, और इट इज़ ऑल थैंक्स टू द क्रिएटर्स एंड मनोज सर, प्रिया. मतलब हम सब ने मिलके, अगर मनोज सर मुझे वो स्पेस नहीं देते तो मैं JK कभी JK नहीं बन पाता.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
So thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm trying to find the right analogy. It's like, when you're hanging out with your best friends, you have certain moments and tasks and rituals that give you comfort. Gossiping together, going for a drive, having tea or whatever together. And then with those same friends, you also want to go for new experiences that you've not had. It's the same for us, I think. Returning IP gives you that familiarity. These are characters and worlds that people love, and they look forward to spending more time, seeing where their journey has gone. But at the same time, they also want to see new experiences, and that's why the new IP comes into play, where we try and offer variety. That's the instinct. Sometimes we're able to get it completely right, sometimes not, but that's the nature of the creative business. Till now, we've been fortunate.
Manoj is on a very strict regimen, like a biohacking anti-aging regimen, and he's going to age backwards, and Priyamani is already there, so we will slowly go back and make a prequel. He would not let us cast another actor in a prequel otherwise, right?
You don't want to be buried alive.
Well, that was a really fun question, and
But that's a good idea, though. Yeah. That's a good idea. You've just given them an idea to make something without me. Okay.
No, they can digitally make you, like, you are young, of course, like, but...
No, but seriously, one of the ideas as we were creating The Family Man was not to have a flashback. There is no backstory for Shrikant Tiwari. It was a conscious choice not to even go there, because you've seen it all before. So we wanted a format where we see what we see right now, and we discover the man and the family and the characters as you take the journey with the series, than cutting back to show how, what, when.
No, I mean, it just took so long because like he was saying, we made Farzi in between, we made a few other things, but we also knew that, sometimes the fact that after 4 years, people are still excited and people are waiting for it, I think that's a good sign. And so, hopefully the wait is worth it. But I think Manoj said when he came in, thoda wait kara ke, what did you say that line? Yeah. So I'm thinking, like, I think the excitement is still fresh, and I do understand that you might have forgotten. That's why we even made a recap video for those of you who don't want to watch the whole season again, so that you can catch up very quickly and come and watch the season.
Yeah, that's what I am passionate about. That's what gives me a kick, just being an actor, when you can dabble with a different genre and try to excel in each and everything that you are doing, and with different directors who have very, very different opinion about cinema and direction. So it's a challenge for an actor to fit into all of these interpretations and opinions, and come out feeling happy that you've given your best and you've done well. I was just shooting in Hyderabad till last night, and there were many Telugu directors who met me. As soon as I have something really interesting, exciting, till then, there are Telugu directors who are making things in Hindi. I'll work with them.
I have so many other films on my roster, man, and you're saying only that one. But thank you so much. But yes, I will be starting a Telugu film very, very soon in December.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
And also, if any other South fans are there, I have a film with Talapati Vijay that's coming out in January.
One word is too little, yaar. एक word में
चलो,
जवाब.
आप experience हो रहा है.
But it was mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. I've had just the best time. And as a fan of the show, to be a part of it now, the journey is just something that it's a bucket list thing, you know. To watch something and you're a fan and you've loved their creation, you know, the characters, they feel like your own sort of property, you know. Sometimes when you see certain actors and certain characters on screen, it feels like, you know, ab aage kya hoga, ab ye hoga, nahi hoga. And then to be a part of that story, it's really the biggest, most thrilling experience as an actor. So it feels great.
एक ही बच्चा है बेटी आप श्रीकांत तिवारी के 2 हैं नहीं मेरी बेटी उसको तो बचपन से पता है कि मैं एक एक्टर हूँ तो मैं क्या बोलूँ मतलब it's a very natural thing but you know for her it's very natural that I'm out for shooting. It's very natural for her that you know that Papa goes out to make some living out of something that he really loves, and she respects it. She admires whatever she sees of me, and she's a big fan of Family Man, and she's a big fan of Sharif Hashmi more than me.
Oh, nice.
And one more question. Please tell that किस्सा ना जो बोला था जेके के लिए, जो बेटा ने बोला था जब जेके.
हाँ मेरी बेटी का मैं आपको बताया था सबको पता नहीं आपको पता है कि नहीं पहले सीज़न के बाद वो उसको जो है वो उसने सीरीज़ देखा मैंने कहा हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट शी सेड या इट्स वेरी गुड पापा एंड शी डिडंट से एनीथिंग आई मीन शी डिडंट रिकॉग्नाइज द फैक्ट दैट आई एम फैमिली मैन इन द यू नो एंड देन राइट आफ्टर one day of watching Family Man she shouted and screamed one day and she said Papa come here, and I ran towards the gate. That's where she was standing. She said, JK is here, Papa. JK is here.
So cute.
पहला सवाल तो ये कि ये ज़्यादा जिम्मेदारी इनकी बनी कि how they can separate Hathiram from me. The hair, the look, everything was designed by Rajan DK sir, and I tried to fit in, and you know the excitement to work with the person who inspires you every day, Manoj bhai. So उनके साथ काम करना ही अपने आप में एक उनको देखना ऑन सेट कि हाँ ये इंसान तैयारी कर रहा है, वो बहुत कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस होता है. आई एम श्योर जितने एक्टर्स ने इनके साथ काम किया होगा या डायरेक्टर्स ने काम किया होगा तो वो बहुत बड़ा इंस्पिरेशन था टू डू रुकमा एंड द स्टोरी इटसेल्फ. जिस तरह से लिखा गया है, जितना जितना रूथलेस, जितना बेफिक्र रुकमा है लाइफ को लेके, हाथीराम उसके आसपास भी नहीं है. वो बहुत फिक्रमंद आदमी है. तो वो बहुत एक्साइटेड चीज़ थी इस कैरेक्टर को करने के लिए. एंड द एंटायर टीम, यू नो द शो, यू नो द आर्क ऑफ इट, यू नो द स्टाइल ऑफ इट. So that helped a lot to play Rukma in a different light. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your question, Sana. And with that, of course, Anjalika.
I just wanted to take a minute to talk to my favorite actors. I just want to call Darshan up on stage. Darshan's been.
आप दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं क्योंकि मेरा ये 3rd सीज़न है आपके साथ, और मैं एक फिल्म भी पहले कर चुका हूँ, अ जेंटलमैन. और आप दोनों से जितनी मुझे फ्रीडम मिलती है एज एन एक्टर, वो मैं शब्दों में बयान नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि आप एज एन एक्टर हमें फ्री छोड़ते हैं और कहते हैं कि आप कुछ अपना लाइए. और उसमें कहीं भी लगता है कि कुछ इधर उधर जा रहा है तो आप सिर्फ आप आकर दोनों कान में कुछ बोलते हैं और वो मैजिकल बन जाता है. सो थैंक यू सो मच. एंड working in this the Family Man, मनोज भाई जी हमारे पावर हाउस टैलेंट, सारे जो भी अभी स्टेज पे खड़े हमारे सारे पावर हाउस टैलेंट्स हैं, और इनके साथ काम करना इट्स लाइक मैजिकल फॉर मी. सो आई फील ग्रेटफुल एंड thank God I'm here with you guys today. Thank you.